आर्किओलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया आणि गोयच्या धार्मिक संस्थांचे प्रतिनिधींबरोबर गोय सरकारान घेतिल्ले जोड बसकेत केंद्राचे हेरिटेज सुवाती देखरेखीक आउटसोर्स करपाचे स्किमीचेर चर्चा जाली. ते स्किमीक विरोध करिनासतना ती चालीक लावप अशें खंय एक मतान थारलें.
After discussing the pros and cons of the scheme, it has been felt, unanimously felt, that we should not say no to the scheme. The option of saying no to the scheme, especially when it came to Old Goa, was there. We have discussed it in detail and we have decided not to say no to the scheme. We means it is not only the government, it is with the representatives of the diocese, the rector of the Bom Jesus Basilica, the parish priest of the Sir Cathedral. Now the issue is when there is a MOU that is going to be signed eventually, we want that the MOU should have an NOC which will be issued by the church. The NOC will have to be discussed. We have several conditions that we want involved in the NOC, which will make further problems impossible. So the interest of everybody, the interest of the state, the interest of the religious monument, the interest of the institution that runs the monument, interest of the ASI, and also the party which will be involved in the upkeep will be protected.
स्कीम धार्मिक संस्था ताब्यात घेवपाविशीं न्ही, ताका लागून स्कीमीक चर्चेचो विरोध ना.
The scheme clearly speaks about peripheral benefits, speaks about facilities or amenities that have to be created to facilitate the visits of the tourists. So how much is
ही स्किमीचेर काँग्रेसीन टिकेक विजयान तोमणो मारलो. काँग्रेसीन खंय हे पयली धार्मिक सुवाती प्रायव्हेट पार्टींक मेंटेनन्साक दिल्ल्यो.
In the past, the Humayun's tomb has been allotted by the UPA government to the Aga Khan Foundation. So there are precedences. So the Congress which talks about saying no, this is something that they are shocked with. They should know that history cannot be erased.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.